Hi, this is your math lesson for Thursday, and we're going to start off by practicing our numbers. We're going to count from 1 to 10, and we're going to use our fingers to count, okay? You can do it with me. If you need help, ask your mom or dad or whoever's helping you to help you out, okay? Ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to look over the shapes. We're going to review the shapes. So let me show you that. Do you remember the name of that shape? That's a circle. Good job. And you can draw it in the air like this. It's a circle. So go ahead and draw it in the air with your finger. Good job. Circle. What is the name of this shape? Do you remember? That is a triangle. Triangle. Okay, so you can draw it in the air with your finger like this. Good job. Do you remember this shape? That is a square. And you can trace or draw the square in the air with your finger like this. Okay? Remember, the square, all of its sides are the same size. So that line is the same size of like this one. Okay, so all of the sides or all these lines are the same size. Okay, here comes a tricky one. Do you remember this one? This one, what is the name of this shape? This is a rectangle, okay? Kind of looks like this one a little bit, but not really. This one, all of its sides are the same size. With the rectangle, it has 2 long sides or 2 long lines and 2 smaller ones, okay? So now you can trace or draw it in the air with your finger like this. Good job. All right, so those were the shapes, and now I'm going to tell you what we're going to learn about today. Okay, today we're going to learn about positional words or position words. So what are positional or position words? Those are words that tell you where the things are. You know, it tells you where your toys are or a book is at. So words that are positional words are something like up. Like the toy is up in the shelf. Or down. Like my ball is down there. Or under. So my book is under the bed. Or beside. I'm sitting beside my friend. So all those are position words. They are words that tell you where things are. Okay? So I want to start off by showing you a video. It's a YouTube video. It's called Where's the Monkey? And it's going to use, the song has a lot of position words. Remember, position words tell you where things are. Okay? So it's going to be a little monkey, and we have to find the monkey and say a positional word. Say, is it up, down, under, beside? So I'm going to let you see the video now, okay? Okay, here's the video. Where's the monkey?
Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's under the bed. The monkey's under the bed.
Okay, under is a position word, and if you can see down here can you see the monkey? He's under the bed.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's under the bed. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's in the drawer. The monkey's in the drawer.
Okay, did you find the monkey? Here's the monkey. In is a positional word. So he is in or inside the drawer. You see him right here? There's the monkey.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's in the drawer. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's on your head. The monkey's on your head.
Okay, on is another position positional or position word, it means he's on the head, okay? Like on top of the head. There's the monkey.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's on your head. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's in front of the TV. The monkey's in front of the TV.
Okay, here's the monkey and he is in front of the TV.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's in front of the TV. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's over the desk. The monkey's over the desk.
Okay, over is another position word. And here's the table and he's over, or the desk, and he's over the desk. What a silly monkey.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's over the desk. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's next to the door. The monkey's next to the door.
You see the monkey here? So next is a position word. So the door is right here and the monkey is next to the door.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's next to the door. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's between the box and the ball. The monkey's between the box and the ball.
Okay, did you find the monkey? Yes, here's the monkey and he is between the box and the ball. So he's in between.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's between the box and the ball. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? The monkey's behind the curtain. The monkey's behind the curtain.
Did you find the monkey? He's behind the curtain.
Where's the monkey? There's the monkey. The monkey's behind the curtain. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey?
What a silly monkey, right? I hope you were able to find it. Okay, so now I want to show you pictures of this little monkey, or not monkey, sorry, about this little pig. You see the little pig? Ay, Miss Moran, I meant to say pig. So, pictures of this this pig, and we're gonna see where is the pig now. So right here, the pig is on top of the table. So on top is a position word or a positional word because it tells you where the pig is. See, I almost said monkey again. So it tells you where the pig is. So the pig is on top of the table. Okay. Okay, where's the pig now? Okay, the pig is inside. He's inside of his little house. Do you see him right here? That means inside. Okay, so now the pig is going around the swing. You see, he's going around, walking or running around the swing. And around is a position word. Okay, where's the pig now? The pig is behind the sofa or the couch. See? He's behind it. Okay. Where's the pig now? Right there, right? He's what? On the bed? He's what? On top? No. He's under the bed. You see him? He's under the bed. And now the pig is beside the couch, okay? Okay, now the pig is in front of the couch or sofa. He's in front, okay? Oops. Here's the piggy. Okay, now he's outside of the house. He's not inside anymore. He's outside. Okay, so look at the piggy and look at the little baby chicks. So now the pig is in between. So he has baby chicks on one side and then baby chicks on the other side, and he's in between. Okay? In between kind of means like in the middle, you know? Okay, look at this pig. Now he's over the bridge or over the lake. See? He's over it. Okay. So those were all some of the position words that I wanted to teach you and for you to take a look at, okay? Thank you for being in my class today, and I hope you learned a lot about position words. Tomorrow we're going to learn more about position words, okay? So watch the video and then go ahead and do the assignment. I will type it up, and so that way you will know what you need to do so you can turn it in. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.